Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with entering the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find either Accounts and Backup or Google. It's up to you, I prefer this one, so let me tap on it, and then let's tap on Manage Accounts. Here, as you can see, we've got the Google account which I've previously added, but let's add another one. Let's simply tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And here in this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on Next. Right here, we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can always remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Let's do the same with this one. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.